Welcome to Grade 12 Math, Algebra Review Complete course. Today, we're going to talk about binomial expansion. Now, if you are not watching from a mobile device, there is a mobile app for this. It contains quizzes and as well as other study materials for you to study algebra. So if you're interested, you could check out our link in the video description below. In my opinion, it is very helpful and it would indeed increase your effectiveness in studying for grade 12 math. The app is for both iPhone and Android. So if you have a mobile phone that is either an iPhone or an Android, check it out. It's free. So remember from the last lesson, I teach you how to use the redistributive rule in order to solve equations such as x plus 1 times x minus 2, where you redistribute the x plus 1 so that it can be written as x times x minus 2 plus 1 times x minus 2. Well, there is a faster way to go about this, and this is by using the binomial formula, where w plus x times y plus z would yield w times y plus w z plus xy plus xz, which in this case is the same because w times y is in this case x times x, which is x squared, and then w times z, which is x times minus 2, which is minus 2x, and then plus xy, which is 1 times x, which is x, and plus xz, in this case is 1 times minus 2, which is minus 2. It is the same, and I believe it is a more confusing way to do it, but indeed it is a shortcut. It'll take you a shorter time to solve those problems. So what if you have more than 2 in a bracket? So such as in the the example below, you see x plus y plus z times a plus b plus c. So in this case, we can't use something as the binomial formula as shown previously, but we can still use the distribution rule. So if you look at the line below, with the distribution rule, we can have rewritten as x times a plus b plus c plus y times a plus b plus c plus z times a plus b plus c. This, after the distribution rule, will equate to x times a plus x times b plus x times c plus y times a plus y times b plus y times c plus z times a plus z times b plus z times c. This method works for no matter how many terms that you have within these brackets. You just need to use those distribution rules. Now, what if you are in the case where you are multiplying 3 or more brackets at the same time, as you can see in the example here, where x plus 1 is multiplied with x plus 2 and multiplied with x plus 3. Well, we can still solve it easily by first multiplying 2 of those at one time. So it doesn't matter whether you start with the left hand side first or the right hand side first. But in this example, I'll just start with x plus 2 times x plus 3. So if you multiply those two using the distribution rule or the binomial rule, you'll have x squared plus 5x plus 6. And then you would have it multiplied by x plus 1. So if we use the distribution rule, we could rewrite this as x times x squared plus 5x plus 6 plus 1 times x squared plus 5x plus 6. This would lead to x cubed plus 5x squared plus 6x plus x squared plus 5x plus 6. And if we collect the like terms, such as the x squares with the x squares and the x's with the x's, we would have the answer of x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6. So let's summarize on how to do expansions. Remember, only to multiply two binomials or trinomials or any of the n nomials at a time, because you don't want to confuse yourself. Now, and then break it down such that each term in one binomial is multiplying the other, such as in this case, x plus 1 times x plus 2, we want to break it down into x times x plus 2 plus 1 times x plus 2 using the distribution rule. And then once you have that, then you multiply everything out and add the like terms together. So that is the end of this lecture. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in more of our videos, please visit our YouTube channel. The name of the YouTube channel is Mike Tutor, and I have a lot of learning videos that covers the grade 12 subjects. We also have a link in our YouTube video descriptions. That link would lead you to our site, where you would find some quizzes, other study materials pertaining to this course, as well as a link to our free mobile app for your iPhone and Android, where you can view all of the study materials and quizzes from your mobile device. And if you enjoy looking at our videos, and if you want to support us, please like our videos, share it with your friends, share it on Facebook, Twitter, as well as subscribe to our channel. I hope that you find this information helpful. Have a great day.